guys! Today we're doing the 24-hour challenge with my friend!
Family!
My family! Oh no, my skateboard! Oh wow. Sue! Oh no! My skateboard! Ah, thanks, Sonic. Now, introduce my brother, Sonic!
Here I am.
Hello, Sonic!
Oh my week.
Hello, Sonic!
Hello.
What are we gonna do today? I think we're gonna fart on our pants, right? Right? Alright, fine. Then we have introduced. I know we have to do stuff. Amy Rose. And also,
Yup.
Anthony. And then just I didn't know the board is here.